This video is brought to you by scdkey.com. Check the links in the description of the video if you want to save some money on game keys and software keys. You can pick up a Microsoft Windows 10 Pro key for as little as $14. Use code BTB1 for 3% off game keys and BTB2 for 10% off software keys like Windows 10.
Hello everyone, I'm Em. Welcome to TechBlock. Today we got some cool packages here from Amazon. These are packages, well, one package is for my setup and the other one is something else entirely, not for the setup at all. But as I said in my previous video, I'm going to be ordering a second Bestek monitor arm. That is what we have here, as we have one for this monitor, as I'll demonstrate right now. We can raise the monitor up, we can move it around, we can do all sorts of wacky stuff with the monitor. And yeah, we've got a monitor arm for this one. But the other monitor in my setup, which you still probably can't see because of all these boxes, is over here. And this one needs a monitor as it's currently still on a stand. And we don't want that. We want floating monitors just like that guy here. So I bought a second monitor arm from Bestek. As the first one, pretty good, can't complain. So, you know, bought a second one for the other monitor. Now, I'm going to do an unboxing video today of two of these products. The first one is very exciting. So the first package that we have here is from Amazon. I bought this last night, I think, as I was hungry. So here we go. Open this guy up. Oh yeah. Can you guess what it is? It's some protein powder from Bulk Powders. This is vanilla flavor. Very nice. I'm going to be making some protein shakes with like blueberries and stuff. And hopefully it's going to be delicious. Let me know if you want to see a video of like cooking with them. Wouldn't that be funny? So I bought some more protein powder as I currently only have chocolate protein powder. And chocolate protein powder plus blueberries kind of sounds a bit weird to me. So I bought vanilla protein powder, so you know, you kind of mix them better together. But now that we're done talking about protein powder, let's get to probably the thing that you guys are most excited about, and that is a monitor arm that we've already unboxed on the channel before, but we're going to be unboxing it once again. So here's the package. It says, "Thank you for choosing Bestek, best tech, best life." Am I right? Pretty cool stuff. Gonna unbox it here. We have some Allen keys, all the tools you need to assemble the arm, even though it's already pre-assembled and you don't really have to do much at all. We have a desk clamp that we're going to be using. I got a message on Facebook. We have all of these things as well. I think this may be for like a desk grommet, which I don't think I'm going to be using these, so I'm going to put those there. We have a desk clamp, I believe. Very nice. And then the monitor arm itself, which comes pretty well packaged. We have the VESA mount over here as well that we used for that monitor. And then we have the monitor arm itself. Let's open it up, take off all this packaging. There we go, it's a bit dusty though. What is happening here? The monitor arm arrived dusty already. What is going on? Well, that doesn't really matter too much, I guess, because this is going to be hidden away anyway. And yeah, this monitor arm, by the way, does come with USB cables and audio cables as well. And that is because it has USB pass-through ports as well as two audio pass-through ports for your microphone and your headphones. And you have a cheeky little Bestek logo on there as well. Pretty cool stuff. Let's take the VESA mount out of its packaging, as this is going to be needed for the monitor. There we go. The VESA mount is out. All the tools and screws that we're going to be using today, so I'm going to keep that there. Right, so we have all of these tools here. We have the spinny thing to actually clamp this onto our desk. This is going to attach like onto this, I think, like this. And then just a bunch of like different screws and stuff, all labeled A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And I think the instructions here will guide us on what to do. Yes, we have like everything labeled here, so everything should go well. Now that the monitor arm is assembled, let's grab the ASUS monitor here and mount it onto an actual monitor arm once again. So here's the monitor, the ASUS VN247HA, the same monitor that we have here as well. So this currently has a different VESA mount on the monitor. Now this is a VESA mount from a different monitor stand that you can learn more about by pressing the card on the top right hand corner there. It's basically like a triple monitor stand that I used to have in my setup before. But this VESA mount isn't compatible with this monitor arm. So we're going to take this one off and put on the new VESA mount that came with the Bestek monitor arm instead. But before we do that, let's once again take the monitor stand off just by ripping it out, as it wasn't even screwed in, as I didn't bother to put the screws back in. Right, let's take this monitor mount off. There we go, all done. Right, so I currently have like a microphone arm here that may be in the way. So actually no, it might be okay. I'm gonna try and mount the monitor arm with the microphone arm still here, as I don't really want to move it, and just see if it's possible. And if it is, then we'll just leave this guy alone. Hey, it's mounted. Woo! There we go. Let's plug the monitor in. All right, so as you can see, we have this monitor, we have that monitor. They're both mounted on Bestek monitor arms now. They look like they're floating. There's no monitor stands or monitor arms in sight, except from that microphone arm there that I'm kind of considering removing that microphone arm, as I don't really use this very often at all. And I think it might be best to kind of like remove it entirely, just to kind of have like a more cleaner setup in general. But you guys let me know in the comment section down below what you think of that, whether or not I should keep the microphone or not. But yeah, there is one more thing I want to do before we end this video actually, and that is fix these gaps that we have in between these monitors here. As you know, they don't look very good, especially when there's like LED lights behind them and the light is shining through those gaps. It isn't good. So what I'm going to do is use some electrical tape to pretty much like stick electrical tape behind the monitors there to cover up that gap, and maybe do the same for the soundbar as well. And that'll look real nice in my opinion. So let's go ahead and cover up all these gaps here. Ooh, that looks much better already. Alright, so I'm all done fixing up the monitors, fixing up the cable management and the gaps in between the monitors and the gap in between the monitor and the soundbar. Now everything is filled in, everything looks pretty good in my opinion. There's no gap in between this monitor, there's no gap in between this monitor, and there's no gap in between the soundbar and this monitor down here. Alright, so this is how it looks like in the dark. We have all the monitors here, there's no gaps in between the monitors. Everything just looks so good in my opinion. The soundbar is RGB, the keyboard is RGB, everything is RGB. For the most part, except my phone. And the Razer do have like a wireless charging stand that is RGB, and I'm kind of tempted to get it, but it's like £100 for a wireless charger, and I don't even know if it works with other phones other than the Razer Phone 2. So if anyone has any information about that, or if you have a Razer Phone 2 charger, let me know, because I really want to get one for my iPhone. Anyway, I think I'm going to be ending this video here. Hope you all enjoyed watching me set up another monitor arm for the other monitor that we have here. So both of the monitors now don't have monitor stands. They're pretty much just floating there thanks to the Bestek monitor arms, which are very nice. And the gaps in between the monitors and the monitor and the soundbar are also filled up using electrical tape. I don't know if that's the best solution to fill up the gaps, but it works. So as always, all the links to everything in my setup are down below in the description. So if you see anything that you like, feel free to pick it up via my Amazon links down there. So apart from that, everyone, thank you all for watching as always, and hope to see you in another video soon. Goodbye.